Good day and welcome to One-on-One Maths Private Tutors. Today we are looking at O-level mathematics for ZIMSEC. The topic, laws of logarithms. Logarithms are very much connected to indices. From the video on indices, we must be familiar with the following laws. A to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. If the bases are the same and we are multiplying, we add the powers. We should also be familiar with this law of indices. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. If we are dividing two numbers with the same base, we subtract the indices. And we must also be familiar with this law, which is the power to power law. A power raised to another power means we are multiplying the powers. Now, this is the multiplication law. For example, if we have 2 cubed times 2 to the power 5, we'd say 2 to the power 3 plus 5, which is 2 to the power 8. If we had, for example, 4 to the power 3 divided by 4 to the power 2, the result would be 4 to the power 3 minus 2, which is 4 to the power 1, which is 4. So this is the division law. Then the power on power law, if we have 7 to the power 2 to the power 4, say 7 to the power 2 times 4, which is 7 to the power 8. We should also know any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. For example, 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1000 to the power 0 is equal to 1. We should be also familiar with this law, which says a to the power m over n is equal to nth root of a to the power m. So a fractional power means a root. For example, 4 to the power 3 over 2 is the same as square root of 4 cubed, which is 2 cubed, which is 8. Now we move on to laws of logarithm. There is a close relationship between logarithm and indices. If we say log to base 10 of 1000 is equal to 3, we can read this as the base log the number. A logarithm is a power. So we are saying power or index to base 10 of 1000 is 3. So the base is 10, the log or the power is 3 for us to get 1000. So it's base, power, then number. Base, power, number. Log to base 10 of 100 is equal to 2, means our base is 10, be the same as our base is 10, 10, our power is 2, and the number we get is 100. So we can see these equivalent statements. Log to base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. So 2 is our base, our power is 3, and the number we get is 8. Log to base 5 of 25 is 2. It means 5 to the power 2, then we get 25. Log to base 9 of 27 is 1.5. So if we say 9 to the power 1.5, you'll get 27. For any real number b and m, b to the m is always positive. So log to base b of x has no meaning if x is less than 0 or negative. Let's look at this example. Work out, without using tables, evaluate log to base 10 of 100. So we're saying log to base 10 of 100 is equal to x. So we say 10 to the power x is equal to 100. So we express 100 as a base of 10. We know 100 is equal to 10 squared. So we can say 10 to the power x is equal to 10 squared. Since the bases are the same and these numbers are equal, it means the powers are equal. So x is equal to 2. So now we can say log to base 10 of 100 is equal to 2. Okay, for B, we have log to base 3 of 1 over 81 is equal to x, which we are looking for. So we are saying 3 to the x is equal to 1 over 81. 3 to the x is equal to 81 to the power minus 1. So we express 81 as a power of 3. 3 to the x is equal to 3 to the 4 to the power minus 1. Now we apply the power to power rule. Here we multiply these two powers. So 3 to the x is equal to 3. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. Since the bases are the same and these two numbers are equal, the powers are equal. So we can say x is equal to minus 4. Now our statement should now be log to base 3 of 1 over 81 is equal to minus 4. And that is our answer. Log to base 4 of 8. Log to base 4 of 8 is equal to x. So we are saying 4 to the x base to the power is equal to 8. Now, 8 cannot be easily expressed as a power of 4. So we find a common base for 4 and 8, which is 2. Now we can say 4 is 2 squared. 2 squared to the x is equal to 2 cubed. 8 is 2 cubed. So 2 power to power rule, 2 times x, 2 to the 2x is equal to 2 to the 3. Since we have a common base and the two numbers are equal, the powers must be equal. So we say 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 over 2. Now our statement by substituting x should be log to base 4 of 8 is equal to 3 over 2 or 1.5. For D, log to base 7 of 343 is equal to x. So base to power 7 to the power x should give us 343. 343 as a power of 7 is 7 cubed. So 7 to the x is equal to 7 cubed. Since the bases are the same and these two numbers are equal, the powers must be equal. So x is equal to 3. Now our statement will be log to base 7 of 343 is equal to 3. So that's how we evaluate, which means come up with a single number that represents this. Now we go to the laws of logarithms. There are 3 laws. The first law, if you add log to base b of a number x plus log to the same base b of a number y, it is the same as saying log to base b of x times y. Log to base b of x minus log to the same base b of y is equal to log to the same base b of x over y. And log to base b of x to the power n is the same as n log to base b of x. So you just drop the power so that it multiplies the log. Let's look at this example. Log to base 4 of 81 over log to base 4 of 27. So we look at 81 and 27, knowing our powers. 81 and 27 are all powers of 3. So we'll say log to base 4, 81 is 3 to the power 4 over log to base 4, 27 is 3 cubed. So now, using the third law, we can drop these powers so that they multiply the logarithms, which is 4 log to base 4 of 3 over, drop this power, 3 log to base 4 of 3. Now, log to base 4 of 3 is a common factor of the numerator and the denominator, so they can cancel out, which leaves us with 4 over 3. So that is how we evaluate this. Let's look at this example. Find the values of k, l, and m, given that log k is equal to log 5 plus log 3. So whenever we are given just log, it means log to base 10. But we'll use laws of logarithm to solve this. Log k is equal to log 5 plus log 3. Using the first law, if we are adding logarithms to the same base, it's the same as log to that base of the numbers multiplied. So we can say log k is equal to log of 5 times 3. Log k is equal to log 15. Therefore, k is equal to 15. For B, log L is equal to log 36 minus log 9. Using the second law, if we are subtracting the two logs, we divide the numbers. So we can say log L is equal to log 36 over 9. Log L is equal to log 4. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So L is equal to 4. That is our answer. On C, we have 3 log M is equal to 27. Using this third law in reverse, we can take the power to the number and say log M cubed is equal to log 27. But 27 as a power of 3 is 3 cubed. So the log is the same, the power is the same. It means M is equal to 3. Let's look at this example. Given that log to base 5 of 2 is equal to 0.4307 and log to base 5 of 3 is equal to 0.6826, find the values of log to base 5 of 6. So 6 is 3 times 2. So we can say log to base 5 of 3 times 2. Using the first law in reverse, we can say this is equal to log to base 5 of 3 plus log to base 5 of 2, which we are given here. Log to base 5 of 3 is 0.6826 plus log to base 5 of 2 is 0.4307, which will give us 1.1133. For B, log to base 5 of 15 is the same as log to base 5 of 5 times 3, which is equal to, using the first law in reverse, log to base 5 of 5 plus log to base 5 of 3. Now, log to base A of A is equal to 1, since we have to raise this base to 1 to get A. For example, we say log to base 7 of 7 is equal to 1. which means this base, we raise it to the power 1 to get 7. So log to base A of A is equal to 1. That is another law. So log to base 5 of 5 is 1, plus log to base 5 of 3 is 0.6826. So our answer will be 1.6826. For C, log to base 5 of 2 over 3. We use the second law and we subtract the logs of the numbers. So we say log to base 5 of 2 minus log to base 5 of 3, which is 0.4307 minus 0.6826, which will give us minus 0.2519 as our answer. For D, log to base 5 of 9. 9 is a power of 3, so we can say log to base 5 of 3 squared. Since 9 is 3 squared, we can use this, which is equal to dropping the power to log to base 5 of 3. Here we have used the third law, which is 2 times log to base 5 of 3 is 0.6826, which will give us 1.3652 as our answer. For E, log to base 5 of root 3 is the same as saying log to base 5 of 3 to the power half, since square root is to the power half. Now we can drop this power to say half log to base 5 of 3, which is half times 0.6826, which will give us 0.3413. So it is important to understand these three laws of logarithms in combination with indices to solve problems of logarithms. Thank you.